Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss with you on the requirement of GST registration. GST is a game-changing tax regime that simplified and optimized the country's indirect tax system and to a huge extent enhanced the ease of doing business in India. What is all about GST?
Goods and service tax is a unified indirect tax which includes almost all indirect taxes in India and which is required to be charged on every sale of product and service.
Who is mandatory to register under GST? Business is required to register under GST if your annual turnover exceeds 20 lakh and for northeastern state if annual turnover exceeds 10 lakh.
Or if you are selling product on e-commerce platform or engage in interstate trade or doing import-export business. Besides, you can apply voluntarily for the GST registration to avail benefits of the system.
What are those benefits of GST registration?
Have a competitive edge over others. You can raise a tax invoice. You can avail input tax credit. You can freely move your goods across India. You can explore your business over e-commerce platform. Even more, you can easily open your current account with the help of GST certificate.
What is the composition scheme?
Composition scheme has been introduced to provide certain relaxation to uplift the small traders in India. Under composition scheme, traders just need to pay concessional tax, need to file only quarterly return and enjoy several other relaxed norms.
Who can avail composition schemes? You can opt the scheme if your annual turnover is less than 2 crore. Threshold limit of turnover is 1 crore for businesses situated in the state of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim and Himachal Pradesh.
You can opt for this scheme if your annual turnover is up to rupees 1.5 crore and business should belongs to manufacturing or trading industry. In service sector, only restaurant can avail this scheme.
What are the documents required for GST registration?
Only few documents are required for GST registration: passport size photograph, PAN card, ID proof, bank account proof and address proof. Additional documents required for private limited company, LLP, OPC, partnership firm are certificate of incorporation, partnership deed, ID proof, PAN card and photograph of all director and partners.
From which location do we need to register under GST?
GST is required to be registered on every address from where point of sale will arise.
Is GST registration enough for e-commerce vendors and sellers?
Being a sole proprietor, in order to sell product through e-commerce marketplace, GST registration is more than enough.
How to obtain GST certificate?
With a efficient online portal, this becomes quite simple job. All you need to do is upload your document on our web portal, choose package based on your requirement and proceed. Soon our business advisor will connect with you and file your GST registration application. First, our team will provide you ARN to track the status. Thereafter, your application sent for government approval. Once approved, we will provide you GST certificate instantly.
Now packages.
We have 3 packages based on your business requirement. In our basic package, we provide you GST certificate. In our standard package, apart from GST certificate, we provide various comprehensive guides which help you in your entire business journey, such as GST starter guide, GST invoice guide with invoice template, guidance on HSN and SAC codes, GST e-way bill.
We have happily served 5,000 plus Indian businesses operating in different sectors of economy with our prompt online registration services.